Okay, so like I said in the previous video, I explained how much I was down, which was 400, well, I had $400 to play around with. Um, I saw this setup occur just pre-market. I took a long, and the goal for today is to get to plus $1,000 or get the account to $51,000. From I'm gonna end or stop trading for the day then, and then hopefully we can crawl back. It looks like this trade is going super smoothly, super nicely. We'll see what happens here, whether or not we're able to TP, and I'll run through the analysis on why I took this long. I was able to mentally reset on the weekend, so I'm coming into this week feeling fresh. Basically, I was just reassessing the thoughts and emotions that lead me to spiral and not able to maintain and keep my profits. And so the state of mind in which I am at right now is that it doesn't matter, whether this particular trade goes well or not. I know that I'm just gonna buy another account and try to make it again the next day. So giving up is not an option. And so as long as I'm fit and healthy and able to mentally recover from losses, I've come to appreciate um, the benefits of failure and losing because at least I tried. And trying is what mattered the most because from trying, you can either win or fail. And from the failures is when I learn my lesson. And from those failures, I'm able to make adjustments to my thinking and my trading. What we've seen in price here is a downtrend for the open of the week. And during London, we have a retracement and somewhat of a continuation lower, but we tapped into a 15-minute buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Hence, why we see price reversing here. So it's created a higher low, and what we want to see is New York seek London highs. One thing I've learned from last week is to pick a certain amount of profit that I'll be satisfied with. Otherwise, I give in to greed, and that leads me to overtrade or hold trades longer than I have to. And that's what exactly happened on Thursday's session, where I was up really a certain amount, really close to getting a payout. Essentially, just one another session away from getting a payout, but because I couldn't wait for that session, I lost everything. So today, I come into the market with the intention of making a certain amount where it'll put my account at 51,000. And if it's able to do that, I'll be very, very, very satisfied. Very, very happy. Price is looking really strong. We are coming to the new hourly candle, the start of 9 a.m. Hopefully we see strong push towards the upside. Just looking at the market and what it has to offer potentially for this setup, I have high confidence that it will definitely reach this area of liquidity and eventually seeking out pre-market, this area here. I'm gonna move my stops to break even. Go 9 a.m. And just want to check Forex Factory for any news. So there's no news today, meaning that not expecting much in price during New York session. Yeah, with tomorrow CPI, Wednesday PPI, not sure if I really want to trade Tuesday because of such a large red folder news day. Probably after 10 a.m. on Wednesday, that could be a potential trading day. Thursday and Friday, definitely want to trade those days. Okay, count's at 51,000. I'm just going to close it there. I'm going to lock myself out. Oh wow, this is a new feature that they have. They've changed it. So it's so that we can select the individual accounts. Yeah, I'm gonna lock myself out. Done. Lock accounts till tomorrow. Beautiful trade. Let's see, we would have exited. Okay. Not what a ticket. To look at trade performance. So we exited at 744 and a half. 744 and 50. Okay, let's look at the analysis of the chart. I'd like to see price take out London highs or like pre-market highs, pre-New York highs essentially, eventually. But yeah, I caught a really nice move. So you see that Monday gap down, creating a new weekly opening gap. Price quickly looks to fill in this gap. And there's another PD array which we've identified here during Friday session. This is a 4-hourly BISI which has inverted, and what we see price do here, candle bodies closing below that 4-hourly BISI, and then we have a sell-off all through our Asia session, with London creating a low before London buying back up, and we see a bit of a displacement. So I've marked out that 15-minute buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, and just before New York session, we get a retracement back into this 15-minute BISI. Candle bodies closing above this. This is a swing failure pattern. I'm entering on this next candle, which we see price basically have another 1-minute inversion down here. Let's see, 1-minute inversion. Yeah. So I entered here, stop loss at this low, and we were targeting this minor buy side. But like I said, I was happy to be able to get a good chunk of this move. Buy side, yeah. Okay, got a decent chunk of this move. Luckily, we exited when we exited. We exited on this candle here. So that's 239 ticks. Really happy with that trade. And we were able to get out just before New York opens. So my main goal is to preserve my mental capital as much as possible. And it's all about snowballing and gaining momentum and having these winning days, minimizing the bad habits that I've been working on. And this is my ideal trading day, I think. Being able to hop in and out of the market. It's still 10:30 p.m. here in Adelaide, so I'm able to go to sleep a bit earlier. Yeah, I'm just gonna hop off the stream and we will resume tomorrow with the same mindset, the same discipline, the same goal. Maybe not tomorrow actually, because we looked at Forex Factory and there was like 4 or 5 red folders. Oof, yeah, about like 5 red folder news. So it's gonna be quite insane. If I'm gonna trade anything, I'll see what price does tomorrow. So ideally we'd wait till Wednesday, till after PPI, and up until 10 a.m. for all the major news to be out the way for us to take a trade. Okay.